In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use music players on Carrd. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Carrd account, so make sure you're logged in. From there, head over to your website editor. This is where the magic happens as you customize your website to fit your specific needs. Now within the website editor, keep an eye out for a plus sign, which you'll click to add new elements to your site. This step is crucial because we're going to add an audio component to your website. Once you've clicked that plus sign, you'll be presented with different options and you'll want to select audio. It's a straightforward option designed to allow you to integrate music effortlessly into your site. The audio element requires a URL. You can paste the URL of your audio directly into the provided field. Here's a crucial point. The URLs you can use must be from Bandcamp, Google Drive, or SoundCloud. Make sure your audio file is hosted on one of these platforms. Additionally, Carrd accepts URLs in a specific format, so take a moment to verify that your URL matches this required format. This attention to detail ensures a smooth experience and seamless audio integration. Once you've confirmed that your URL fits the necessary criteria, you can delve into customizing the appearance of your music player. Carrd offers you the flexibility to tailor this to your liking, so feel free to experiment with different styles until you find something that aligns with your website's aesthetic. This is also a great opportunity to explore animations that can make the music player more engaging for visitors to your site. Whether you want a subtle movement or something more dynamic, Carrd offers options to suit your preferences. When you're satisfied with the appearance and functionality of your music player, it's time to finalize your changes. Simply click Done, and that's it. You've successfully added a music player to your Carrd site. Integrating music into your website not only enhances the user experience, but also adds a personal touch that can set your site apart from the rest. And there you have it, straightforward instructions on how to incorporate music players into your Carrd website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.